local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.
Gusting to 22. The pressure was 29.49 inches and falling. The report from the Bronx Botanical Gardens
Your
was not
attention,
available.
please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your
Skies
area.
ranged from mostly sunny
Listen
to
carefully.
partly sunny, and the temperatures were 45 degrees. Across Long Island, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy, and temperatures were between 45 and 47 degrees. In New Jersey, it was sunny, and temperatures were between 43
Rochester
and 47
Emergency
degrees.
Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system for the city of Rochester. If this was a real emergency, instructions would follow with steps to take for personal safety. This is only a test.
Damn! Double header required weekly test.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.
Triple header. Woo!
The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Bam! Bam! Oh, snow squall.
Portland, Madison, Oneida, Otsego, Schuyler, Quebec, Tioga and Tompkins, and Bradford, Pennsylvania.
It is 10:45, so that means
All warning for South Central
15 minutes to 2-hour test.
Southern Schuyler County, Northwestern Broome County, Southern Madison County, Cortland County, Chemung County, Tioga County, Southern Stignett County, Tompkins County, Chenango County, Northwestern Rutherford County, and Northeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 a.m. At 10:39 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Bridgewater to Taylor to near Bessemer to Big Flats to near Elkland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and
this
visibility
is
rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles per hour could knock down trillions and blow around unsecured objects. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Chemung, Binghamton, Ithaca, Elmira, Vestal, Cortland, Johnson City, Oneonta, Endicott, and Corning. This includes the following highway exits: New York Interstate 81 near 4 North and South, and between 5 and 12. Interstate 86/Route 17 between 41 and 72. Interstate 88 between 1 and 3 near 8, and 13 and near 19. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.